Welcome editors, in this I will show you this cool text animation in After Effects, and trust me, after this you became the master of text animation. In After Effects, write your text by selecting this T icon here and write your own text and adjust according to your choice. Then drop down the text layer here and just parallel to text there is an option here, animate. Click and you can see bunch of options to animate. For color one, go to the fill color option and select RGB. As you can see, a fill animator is added. You can choose any color, just click here and you can see a color spectrum is pop up. Choose your color, then drop down this range selector here and play with the value of start, and you can see on the screen how the color is changing. I think you get the effect where we are going. Now we need to animate this. Firstly, we need to create two shapes. Without selecting any layer in the timeline, click on the rectangular shape here and draw a rectangular over the text. You can change the rectangular color whatever you want, it doesn't matter. And the second shape, without selecting any layer again, click on the pen tool icon here and draw a diagonal line. Let me rename my layer to avoid confusion. And take the rectangular layer just above the text layer and drop down the track matte here and select to the alpha inverted. As you can see on the screen, by selecting the inverted, the text got hide. If you do not see the option of track matte, go here and click. Now let's animate all one by one. Go to the diagonal layer and press P and then hold the shift button and press S on the keyboard. And select the stopwatch icon on scale and create a keyframe. Make the value 0 on the scale. After few frames, increase it. It's not looking good because the anchor point is not in the middle of the shape. To get in the middle, for me it's Alt plus spacebar and on my keyboard. For you, go to the edit and search for keyboard shortcut and search center anchor point. And you see what option is here lying. Then make a keyframe of position here also, and after few frames select and change the position of the shape. We need to hold for few frames, so create a keyframe here. Then after few frames change the position. Then with same process keyframe the position. Let me fast forward this process as you get it now that how we need to create a keyframe and at last keyframe the scale also. And remember, take your time to adjust the position and scale according to your layer of your text. Same goes to the rectangular layer. By simple put the keyframe of position with respect to diagonal shape. Create one here. After diagonal shape layer goes out and one here. Then we need to shift the position of layer here and create keyframe when second time the line goes out. Let me play and see it looking good. And remember, always take your time to this and adjust accordingly. Now we need to change the color. When the line comes back, hit the stopwatch icon here at the end and create a keyframe with respect to the line. And see, you get amazing effect. Please let me know in the comment how it is. By adding some motion blur effect, it will become more effective. And now for revealing text, write the text like this. I've already written. And create a 3 shape layer. If you skip to here, please watch from the start because I go a little fast this time. After creating this shape, name them and place the shape layer just above the text. Then select to alpha matte for both of the shape layer. Change the position of the shape layer. First animate the line by changing the value of scale 0 to whatever suits you. And remember the anchor point, yes, the anchor point of the text and the shape layer should be in the middle. And then change the position value on both the text by selecting both the text layer. Then create a keyframe, one like this and another like this with respect to the line is coming. And when we need to reveal the text, and ease all the keyframe by right click on the mouse and select easy ease. Add some motion blur to this and see awesome animation. You can create this cool awesome animation in motion graphics also. And if you haven't seen the 3D text animation, watch this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button.